Hello guys, today we are back with another unboxing. So this time it is going to be a mobile phone. So I have planned to buy a mobile phone from very long in a budget category. So I have purchased a mobile under 8,000 rupees. So maybe you have heard of it, this mobile phone, because it is only exclusive on Flipkart. So let's go into the package and then you will see. I will not tell the name right now. So let's cut open the package. So here is the package, a regular Flipkart package. So I will cut right through here. So entering into the package, you will see a bubble wrapped mobile phone with this bill, I think. Yeah, bill. That's not much of. So here is the mobile. Yeah, if you guessed it, comment down below. If you're not, so here is the phone right here. So this is the Infinix Hot 6 Pro. It's 32 GB ROM, 3 GB version. It's only exclusive on Flipkart. It's launched on 17th of July at midnight. 17th of July, 00 hours. That's starting of the day, I mean. And I have ordered it on 17th of July morning. So it came to me on the next day only. So it was very fast. So here is the package. Hot 6 Pro, Infinix branding, Hot 6 Pro. Here is no. So at the bottom of the package, here are some details. The price was 8,999, but I have got it for 1,000 rupees discount. So it cost me around 8,000 rupees. So let's cut open the package and cut open the box and then see what's inside. My knife is not sharp. Maybe my camera is struggling to focus, but bear with me. Today I have new cameraman. I don't have a tripod. So here is the package. I will and right through here. So let's see, is it working? Yes, is it? No, it's up. Yeah. So here's the mobile on the top. As everyone do, we will keep handset aside. It's a black color if you don't know. Let's look into the box. Just a partition. Okay, yeah. Here is a USB. It's a regular USB, but it's flat style. Then you will get a charger. It's packed, so yeah, I have to open it. Okay, so it's here is a charger. It is regular. It's not a fast charger. If it's reading, it's visible to you, then you will stop the video and read it. So, and next is a SIM ejector tool, and the next is going to be okay. Screen guard is also provided by company. That's a nice gesture. It's not coming out. Okay, so here is a screen guard, just a SIM ejector tool, USB cable, a charger, a free case for your mobile, because it's very hard to find a case for you, these phones. So Infinix booklet, maybe a quick start guide and a warranty guide. So we'll keep it aside and let's turn on the phone and get back to it. So guys, here is a phone. As you can see, it comes with a black tinted cover. It is not totally transparent. So, and here is the phone having a protective film on both the sides. So I'll peel off this one. Satisfying, and it's having on its back also. Okay. So the phone comes with a fingerprint scanner, a dual camera 13+2. On its I think on its right side, it's having power unlock key, and the volume up and down buttons. On this side it's having a SIM tray. It's having a 2 SIM card plus a 1 micro SD card. On the bottom of the phone you can see a micro USB cable, headphone jack, noise cancellation mic, and then speaker as you can see. And on the top it's having nothing. I think it's having also antenna band. No, it's not an antenna band, it's just for a looks. So let's put on the cover. Yeah, it's fit snugly, and power on the phone, and its screen is as always fingerprint magnet. So Infinix branding, powered by Android. Let's see how much time it takes. Infinix looks, and it's having a 18:9 aspect ratio screen, all modern, having XOS. There is a lag as you can see. It's taking a little bit time. I think it's a first boot, that's why it's taking that much. So let's go. English, I'll set up, I'll skip this step. Copy or setup as a new, skip, Wi-Fi skip, continue. Let's go to the next. Date and time I don't want to, no, skip. Adding a fingerprint, let's add a fingerprint. Go back, add a fingerprint, fingerprint plus pin, secure startup, yes. Choose your pin, most secret 1111, okay, 1111, okay. And let's next place your finger right here. So I will place my finger. Partial finger detected, partial finger. Lift your finger, and that's my first time, that's why so much of errors. Oh no. Scan duplicate, scan duplicate. Okay, I think it needs, okay, finish. So more, I agree. All set. Accelerated location, I don't want this. I think a phone has been set up. India, agree. Okay, leak the battery, I don't know what. Okay, the phone has been set up. It's okay. Start. I have to select. Let's go for the dark one. Selected. Swipe for the app drawer. Okay, so we are in the phone. Let's check the fingerprint scanner. 1, 2, go. So that was quick. Okay, so let's go and check for the Android version. System, about phone. So here you can see some CPU. Yeah, the CPU is 425 Snapdragon, clocked at 1.4 GHz with the 4 cores. Also it coupled with the 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of internal storage, 4000 megahertz. I'm sorry, 4000 megahertz, not megahertz. That's, I don't know what. 4000 mAh battery. Camera is a 13+2 megapixel autofocus 5 MP front camera with 720p screen. It is HD plus screen, by the way, and it comes with the 8.0.0, means 8.0.0 Oreo. So here you can see Oreo biscuit. So next is a Infinix model number Infinix X608. So that's it about the phone. Let's go and check out the camera interface. Allow. So here are various modes: night panorama, time lapse video, auto, beauty mode, portrait mode with 2 cameras. Okay, so that's it for the phone. If you want, guys, anyone want full review about the phone, so do let me know into the comment section. I will do whole camera review, whole setup, I mean whole phone review, and let's do the battery test, battery draining test, gaming test, and speed test also. So that's it for the unboxing. I think time is not set, so that's it for the unboxing. Let's catch up in the next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay healthy, keep smiling, and peace out. Bye.